Find or read reviews that people are talking about sundate Convection Heater Wi-Fi Control, Indoor Space Heater. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Heating power. 1500 watt convection heater provides efficient and consistent warmth for indoor spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. Smart controls, digital display panel and remote control allow convenient temperature adjustments and mode selection from across the room. Timer function, features a 24-hour programmable timer for customized operation, helping you manage heating schedules effectively. Fast heating. Quick heat distribution through convection technology ensures rapid room warming when you need it most. Versatile use, ideal for various indoor spaces, this electric heater combines powerful heating with user-friendly features for optimal comfort. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.